Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be talking about serums. So let's get started. Alright guys, so most recently I've been wanting to try facial serums. I've heard so much about them. I've seen them on the market, seen them on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, you name it, it's everywhere. So of course I wanted to get in and try out some serums. I went to Marshall's the other day and I was browsing through Marshall's, and of course I went to the makeup aisle and I was able to stumble across some serums. So of course any media trendy 2018 person knows that before you buy anything you always go to social media. You know, you go to Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. I tend to go to Instagram and I just search it via the hashtag and I look for whatever it is, whatever the product is that I'm looking at that moment. So I came across Valjean Labs. This is a name brand that is sold specifically out of Urban Outfitters, but Marshall's has them also. So I did my research and I've read many different reviews about them, all which were good, to be honest. So that really sparked my interest to buy it, and I was like, okay, you know, everybody's speaking good things about it, let me get it. So I purchased, first and foremost, the Hydrate. Oops, right there. I purchased the Hydrate Serum. I also purchased Glow. And I purchased Restore. Finally, today I went ahead and added some more things. I picked up the Radiance Booster. These all were, well, except for one. This little guy was $4.99 actually, and all of these were $5.99. Originally through Urban Outfitters, they sell for like $15, so you can go on Urban Outfitters and find them on their website as well if you don't have a Marshalls or a TJ Maxx, or how I like to call it in my community, we have DD's, and I feel like DD's is like the cousin, the third, fourth, fifth cousin of Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and all those home goods stores. So yeah, you know, if you don't have them at any of your stores, you can go to Urban Outfitters and you can just pull them up online. In addition to these things, I purchased this Pearl Essence Coconut Rose Hydrating Mist. I've always wanted to try these hydrating mists also. This one is just, you know, very fragrant. It's a pick-me-up for dehydrated skin. You can use it before moisturizing or throughout the day over makeup. So, you know, gotta give it a shot. Why not? So I have my makeup on. Let me see. Doesn't really smell like anything, but let's see. Oh, no lie, that smells good. I thought it didn't smell like anything in the bottle, but this smells good. I guess I figured, you know, like throughout the day, if you're going out later or something like that, you just spritz this on your face as a pick-me-up. That smells good. It just picked up my spirits. Ooh, this smells really good. So some questions that came to mind for me and some research that I did when using serums, I didn't know, like, do I use a serum and not a moisturizer? So after doing some research, I found out that serums, they are specifically to address the different areas in your face, like the needs that you have. Maybe you want to, like I said, even out your skin. This is the Radiance Booster, or you want to hydrate. They are for specific needs that your skin may have, or the specific needs that you want to target for your skin. In addition to targeting those specific needs, when it comes to using serums, a little goes a long way. So you just want like literally a drop. You know, I've seen people like take the nozzle out and drop it on their face and all that stuff. For me, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that. I just feel like it's a waste of product. I might just take it out and just like dip it on my fingers and kind of go like that. I did that this morning actually. So yeah, but a little goes a long way with serums. Moisturizers, they're thicker, they're creamier than serums, and they're to hydrate the skin, and it's also to prevent water loss. So these are just some notes that I took down that I'm looking at. And another question that I specifically had in my mind when purchasing the serum was like, okay, so when do I put the serum on? Like before I tone, after I tone? So I went to Handy Dandy Pinterest, and so when it comes to the facial regimen, obviously first you cleanse, then you exfoliate, which exfoliation you do like 2 to 3 times a week. I use, you know, oil-free acne scrub. So that's the other thing that I use in my line that addresses the oil in my skin. But again, I'm only using that what is going on? I'm only using that 2 to 3 times a week. So exfoliate, then you tone. After you tone, if you have like any medication that you're using on your skin, then you can go ahead and apply the medication. Then you apply the serum, right? So that's when the serum comes in. After the tone, if you're not applying prescription products to your skin, so you put it on after toning. After the serum, you put your eye cream on, your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. You want to always remember to put sunscreen on, especially in the summer. We have to protect our skin from the sun rays. So those are just some of the things that came to mind for me when I purchased the serums, and I just was like, okay, where do I use this? Another thing that came to my mind was also whether or not I can layer my serums. So again, it's up to you if you want. You can layer them or you can use them individually. I have tried it so far using it individually, and I layered it. So far so good. I'm gonna see how my skin does when it comes to the Radiance Booster for evening out and the Restore for working on my blemishes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned anything about serums. Give it a thumbs up if you're gonna try a serum. Hey, just give it a thumbs up. It's free. You ain't gotta pay to give a thumbs up, right? All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. All right, hi guys.